Right, good morning mga Timbo Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, May 17, 2024, 7:14 in the morning. Here in Wellington, New Zealand. So come on, let's commence. Let's commence. Okay. So, ang bus na gagamitin ay si bus number 5707 with registration plate number NQY 744, which will expire on August 2, 2024. So, oh god. Let's put up the school signs now. Okay. And okay. Gamitin na natin yan. Yan, mga old damage na yan, mga yan. Normal na lang yan sa mga bus dito. Ang importanteng i-check natin is yung adjusters, tsaka yung gulong kung well inflated ba. Ito yung mga old damage. Old damage. That's an old damage. Straight. So, all good. I almost forgot. Let's put up the school signs. And so good. Medyo talagang napakarumi dahil uulan na araw dito sa Wellington, New Zealand. Yan. Yan yung mga bako-bako ang taas ng ating gagamiting bus ngayon. Fender is chipped up and the adjusters are all good. Again, adjusters are all good. That's all. So all good. Guys, ito sa loob. Sonas. Medyo tamad talaga yung mga panggabi rito dahil hindi nila winawalisan yung bus. Minsanan na lang nila ginagawa, once a week yata, pag hindi naman masyadong marumi. So that's all for the video bus vlog. Paalam! Until next video bus vlog.